Good evening, everyone. My name is Captain Joshua. This is just to certify that I bought this product from OL Tech Solar Company about 3 months ago. As you can see, this is a solar inverter of 6,000 watts. 6,000 watts with the lithium battery. With the lithium battery of 7.2 kilowatts. I actually got their contact online through one of my friends, and initially I thought that they are fake, that they are not real, but not until they brought the system to my house, live and direct. So if you actually want to go for their product, please do that as soon as possible. They are real, they are not fake. They are not just online. Since almost 2 months ago, my system, all my house, the fridge, the chandelier, the fridge has been on since then. We've been enjoying the light, even though the sun itself is not at its peak, but we are still enjoying the whole thing. So please, if you want to go for their product, do so as soon as possible, and I guarantee you are going to see some discount as they always do. So it's a promise, you won't regret it. Thank you and God bless.